In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a website with Claude, and we are going to actually create here a Django project, Django ERP project. So I'm going to show you all the process step by step. At first, I'm going to show you how you can actually download Claude. So we are going to install Claude the most easiest way. So the easiest way is we are going to actually first install anti-gravity. Here you can see, and then we will actually install extension inside anti-gravity. Then we will actually use Claude. So to download anti-gravity, you have to actually go to the browser and go for the Google anti-gravity. Okay, so if you type in the Google, that is anti-gravity Google, if you type it and then search it, then you will find Google anti-gravity. Click here download. Okay, and then select the operating system. Here you can see macOS in this case, so I'm going to select this and it will start downloading. I already downloaded and installed it in my PC, and I'm not going to download it once again. So you just have to actually download this and install it. Very simple. Now we are going to open this. So let's open anti-gravity here, and currently I'm inside anti-gravity. You can see we have here chat option. You can see in the right side. We are not going to use this. We are going to actually download an extension called Claude Code. Okay, I already installed it. If you type Claude Code for VS Code here, okay, you will get this Claude Code for VS Code. So you just have to install it. Okay, I already installed this. Let me show you here. You can see, and when you will install this, under this extension section, you will find Claude Code chat option. You can see from here you have to actually log in at first. Okay, log into your Claude account. So you have to create Claude account and then log into the Claude account. Then you will find something like this. Now if you click here new session, then there will be a chat option. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually create a folder at first, and I will open the folder here, and then inside folder we are going to actually open a chat option. So we are going to create here a Django project, right? So for this we need we need to download Python. So make sure you have downloaded and installed Python in your PC. Go for the Python, then download it. Okay, then you just have to install it. And if you want to check if you have correctly download Python or not, you can say here Python 3 -- version. But if you're from Windows, you can just say here Python, okay, then -- version. You'll get the Python version you have installed in your PC. That's it. So we have successfully installed it. Now we can actually create project. So let's say I want to create my project here in the downloads, or maybe depends on which database actually you want to use. If you want to use MySQL, you have to have a server for this. So Jamp will provide you this server. So here you have to actually install Jamp. Okay, just go to the browser and go for the Jamp. If you type Jamp and search it, then you will find apachefriends.org. Go there, then download the latest version according to your operating system. Here you can see this latest version. And now I'm assuming that you can do this. Now we are going to actually open Jamp control panel. So go for the Jamp control panel. Jamp control panel. Okay, you have to open Jamp control panel, and then you have to start database. Okay, MySQL database server. Let's go for this section. Here you can see MySQL database. So I'm going to start it. Fine. Here you can see running. Our work is done. Now we are going to actually create folder inside htdocs. I'll say new folder, and here I'm going to say ERP-Django. Okay, and this is our project. I'm going to drag and drop it here, and here now I will go for this this Claude chat option, and from here I'm going to select new session. Here we are going to paste the prompt. We have to actually generate a prompt here. So to generate a prompt, you have to go to the browser and then go for chatbot like ChatGPT or Gemini and generate a prompt. So this is my little information and this is the prompt. Now I'm going to actually select all of them and copy them, or maybe I can click here this copy icon, and I can go back to the anti-gravity. Here I'm going to paste it. Paste it. Done. Now I will hit enter, and then rest of the work will be done by this AI. we don't have to do here anything. Okay, so I'll show you the output of our project. For now, I'm going to fast forward the video. So guys, here you can see the project is done. I think the project is really big because it take too much time. Now let's check the output. So it run the you can see fully running. So it actually run this server for me also. Now I just have to actually go to the I mean it add the database also for me, so I don't have to do here anything, and that is the reason maybe it take too much time. Now let's go to the browser here. Okay, here we go. Now here username should be admin, then admin123. So we have here a nice dashboard you can see. And now let's go for the employee section. We can add employee. Pretty nice website you can see. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video.